everyone, I'm back with a new digital art tutorial. And today, we're going to be doing a fun illustration in the rain. If you are wondering what apps and tools I use, they'll all be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go! Starting with a rough brush, I use it to show how a painting's texture would usually look like. I use tones of white, brown, and black to emphasize the center of the drawing. Also to create a mood. I use a white pencil to draw the rain and splashes, and then I start with the cat and the dog. As you can tell, I don't shade them a lot. I rather block the color and then I later will outline them with a black pencil to rather show their innocence as an emotion. And then I put them aside so that I can focus on the people. With the people, I start with a really rough sketch and then I add the color. After I add every color, I then go on it with shades that are darker and lighter to emphasize where the light is hitting from. I then outline it with a black pencil and use white to show how the rain is falling upon them. It is also important to know where the light is directing from. As seen with the red umbrella, I use different tones of red to show how the light is hitting from the left side. And with the adult's brown raincoat, I play around with different shades of brown to show how the light hits with all the folds in the raincoat. And then I use black to emphasize the shadows as well as a really light brown to show where the light is hitting from. And then I outline it with a black pencil as seen in the previous sketches. As you go down with the pants and the boots, you can play around with different colors and shadows. And then I basically copy and paste that layer of the cat, dog, and the people upside down and then flip it around to show it as a reflection. And then I add white lines to show how the rain is hitting. And then you're done.